Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you a drone website that will be paying you just for doing nothing. You don't have to do anything to earn in this very website. What you have to do, you just have to log into your account daily and place your withdrawal. Yeah, that's the only thing you have to do in this very website. So I'll just go to my withdraw button. Once I go to my withdrawal, okay, for today I only have 1.25 TRX here to withdraw. So I'll go to my trust wallet to show you how many Tron I have here. Okay, you can see I have only 52 TRX here, so I'll just go back to this website, input my address and click on withdraw. Okay, so guys, say your withdrawal has been sent to your wallet. I'll go back to my trust wallet to see if I have received my withdrawal. Let me refresh my trust wallet. Boom guys, as you can see, I just received my withdrawal directly to my trust wallet instantly. You get instantly. You see, I placed this withdrawal 343 and I received it around 343 instantly. So guys, this is a website I'll be showing you for today. So I'll be showing you full. So guys, you just watch me as I place a withdrawal and I receive it instantly, guys. So this is the website I'll be showing you guys in this very video. So what you have to do, you just have to click the first link at the addition menu, sign up your account. To sign up an account is very easy. You can do that even without watching the video. So once you sign up, you'll be given 6,666 TRX or totally free. Now guys, I'll be showing you how you can withdraw this TRX. So what you have to do after getting your bonus, you just have to scroll down a little bit. Once you have signed up, you just have to scroll down a little bit, click on spin and earn. You get, so this spin and earn is just an additional bonus. It's optional. If you like, you spin. If you want to earn more, if you don't want to earn more, you can depend on your miner. So guys, you just have to click on spin. As you can see, it says spinning. So guys, I just earned 0.005 TRX and click on OK. So let's go back to our home page, and if you come to your home page here, if you go to your sidebar, you can see that this website has a very good interface. Like, everything here is user friendly. They have the dashboard, deposit, withdrawal, trading, refer and profile, guys. So if you scroll down a little bit here, you also see some beautiful stuff too. Okay, the same stuff they have on the site, but they also have it here. If you want to join their Telegram channel, you can go ahead and join their Telegram channel. So guys, this website is 100% legitimate. You just watch me as I place a withdrawal and I receive it directly to my trust wallet. So guys, if you look here now, you can see you have a profile icon. So if you click on it, it will take you to your home page where you get some info here. Okay, so there's nothing to do here. What you have to do once you sign up, for you to withdraw your bonus, what you have to do, you just have to click on deposit. Let's click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, scroll down a little bit, you can see a simple guide here on how to deposit and earn. Okay, minimum deposit is 5 TRX. You get enter deposit TRX amount in the above form. So you just have to enter it here. Don't worry, watch this video to the very end. I'll show you how to deposit on this very website so you can start earning for yourself. Now the deposit you are making into this website, you just want to open the withdrawal so that it can enable you withdraw your 6,666 TRX. You get the concept. So even if you deposit 5 TRX is not up to $1. It will cost you nothing. You get, even if you deposit 5 TRX, you will still withdraw from this site. So it says minimum deposit is 5 TRX. Enter deposit TRX amount in the above form. Click on deposit button, copy the address, send TRX to the address, wait for confirmation. Now guys, the confirmation here is instantly, guys. Every other thing is instantly. That's the reason why I really love this website. Okay, after confirmation, you will see your daily earning will be increased, which you can withdraw easily. Yeah, it's totally easily. You watch me as I place my own withdrawal here. So guys, I'll just go ahead and place a withdrawal here. So sorry, I'll just go ahead and place a deposit. I just have to input the amount of TRX I want to deposit here. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be depositing 50 TRX. Okay, click on deposit. Okay, once I click on deposit, I just have to copy this wallet here, go to my trust wallet, send some decent amount of TRX into this website. But before then, you also have some guides here again on how to deposit. You can scan this code here. You can also scan the code, this scan you are seeing here. You can scan it, copy the address, send the TRX to the address. This scan here, if let me say you don't want to, or maybe you are using another device. Yeah, if you are using another device, you can just scan it and make your transfer from the other device. But if you are using the same device, what you have to do, you just have to copy this wallet. Once you copy this wallet, okay guys, let's check our balance before we make any deposits. Okay, we have 6,716 TRX here, 6,716 TRX. So I just have to click on deposit, click on 50, click on deposit. So just have to copy this address, copy, go to my trust wallet. Okay, click on send, input the recipient address, amount 50 TRX, continue. So I just have to click on confirm to confirm the transaction. Okay, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Alright guys, here's our transfer. So I'll just wait for some seconds so that this transfer will be completed. Just wait for some seconds. Okay, let's just wait for some. Okay, as you can see, it says completed. Let's go back to the website to confirm our deposit. Let's go back to our home page. Okay, so boom guys, you see that our deposit just reflect here on our balance. So your deposit will be added to your primary balance. Now you have two balances here. Okay, you have your promotional balance and your primary balance. Your promotional balance is the TRX you earn from your downline. If you refer anybody to this website, you will also earn from this website guys. So that's how it is. So I can still place a withdrawal here again because I just make a deposit. Let's see. Okay, if you look here now, you can see my daily earnings should be 2.5 TRX. So every day I'll come here and withdraw 2.5 TRX. So you just have to open your withdrawal. Once you open your withdrawal, you can withdraw the 6,666 TRX you have gotten as a sign-up bonus, and every day you'll be getting some percentage. Every day you'll be getting some percentage. And if you scroll down a little bit here, you can also see like transfer. Okay, we have check the spin and earn. You can also see transfer. You can also see trading. If you click on trading, now you will get some info here. Okay, so the system currently generates 2.5 TRS daily for you. Now this is totally free. You don't have to do anything. You just have to come here daily. Yeah, place your withdrawal, go your own way. You get come daily, place your withdrawal, go your own way. So if you check down, you see another note there say our algorithm generates Tron daily for you. The more you deposit, the more algorithm generates for you. So you see it guys. Okay, that's it. So that's all I have for you guys in this very video. And if you scroll down, you can see the total withdrawals paid. You can also see total VIP members, and you can also see offer for YouTubers. They also have offer for YouTubers here. So if you are a YouTuber, you can also join this offer. Okay, let's say if any YouTuber makes a video for our website, then our company will give you some rewards to it. I'm just saying this now. Okay, it's pretty cool. So if you're a YouTuber, you can go through it. Okay, here is the cloud mining offers about them. You want to know about them. Drone wheels. I'll be dropping the link right there at the description menu. Do well to use the link to register. After that, join our social media platform, our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel, so you get updated anytime we have any new update, and jump on it immediately. So guys, you can go ahead and read everything about the website on your own. Okay, it says cloud mining offers a potential cost effective way to mine Bitcoin, TRS and other cryptocurrencies. At the same time, both quantitative trading and DeFi technology can make it easy for you to participate in blockchain transactions with a small amount of capital and obtain stable returns like insurance.